If you're new to my channel, my name is Kashmira and welcome to Makeup Simplified. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and also press the bell icon so you're notified of all videos I'm posting here on YouTube. Alright then, I have done my skincare already and I'm going to start with my skin prep. I'm using the Smashbox Halo Skin Primer. It has the plumping dew plus hyaluronic acid. It's actually an illuminating moisturizer, but it is also a primer, so you could totally use this, you know, even for like everyday use. So I love this one. This one gives me that I'm glowing from within, like such beautiful glowy skin, which is going to be perfect because it's the festive season. So here we go. It's got a little sheen to it and I will be applying it all over my skin. This actually reminds me of an illuminating primer that NARS used to carry. They don't carry it anymore, but this is exactly similar to what it was, and I used to love it so much, but they don't have it anymore. This is a good replacement. So after you apply primer, let it sit on your skin for a little bit so it gets absorbed. Let's start with priming my eyelids. This is the NARS Smudge Proof Primer. This has been my go-to primer for a long time now and I almost use it in all my videos. So for this look, I'm using the good old Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and I will go with the shade Musk on my lid to define my crease. So the upper lids we're going to keep very simple, so I'm just going in with the shade Cashmere on top of it. The eyeliner is what is going to be very dramatic today. So I'm going to go with the very thick eyeliner and then I'll show you what I'm going to do with my under eyes. It's very important that you keep this vertical because then you will see that even though when I open my eyes all the way, you can still see my eyeshadow. Because if you don't do it vertical and you keep going outwards, you may not see the eyeshadow correctly. Now I will be tight lining by lower waterline, and for that I'm using the same Tarte eyeliner. And also tight lining by upper waterline. For the color correction, we are using the Live Tinted shade Rice. It's the U stick. These U sticks are now available at Ulta, so you know, go try it out and then you can purchase it if you like it. And next I'm going to go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. My shade is 260N. I will be doing the concealer after my foundation today. it's normal for some orange corrector to show because we have not concealed it, so it's perfectly normal for you to see some orange shade. And for the concealer, we're using the Anastasia Magic Touch Concealer. This is the newest concealer released by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's a full coverage concealer, so I'm going to go very sparingly with it. A lot of it comes on the wand, so just apply tiniest bit here. My shade is number 6. I have applied a little bit lighter shade for under eye brightening. This concealer is awesome if you're looking for full coverage concealers. I usually tend to go on a light medium coverage concealers, so I do like it. If I'm going to be like, you know, wearing the makeup this whole day and I want it to stay, I would probably go for this, a little bit of a you know, full coverage concealer. But totally, let me tell you, this is more like the consistency a lot like Tarte Shape Tape. I like to compare it to the one brand that, you know, the concealer is famous for. So Anastasia's concealer is beautiful, but it is very thick. See, I went in with the slightest amount, but it just spreads so much that now I feel like it's too much. But let's see, I'm going to continue to blend it into this. And the setting will also help with like prevent your eyeliner from the kajal from smudging. And see how it perfectly brightens my under eye. So if you're looking for a brightening effect with your concealer, then you definitely want to go one shade lighter than your foundation. Do not go any lighter than that. And you can see 2 tails are created, but I am going to keep it that way. So this powder is going to catch any fallout, and it's super easy to get rid of it. And then I'm gonna go with the slightest amount. Just keep, you know, just buff it out right here before you even go onto your skin. Then clear away any areas that you feel require coverage. One step here is that you have to buff it on your skin and then go in. And that way you're creating softer lines and nothing too drastic. Okay, for the mascara, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Mascara. This is a stunning volumizing mascara. I love using it. You will not even need your falsies. Quickly move on to some contouring. I'm using the Huda Beauty Tantour in medium, and I'm going to be quickly applying it. I love this Huda Beauty Tantour because it's creamy and pigmented and doesn't dry up too fast. If you don't work quickly with it, it can actually leave streaks, but this one is pretty creamy, so it doesn't leave streaks if you're a few seconds late. And for the blush, I'm using the Say Beauty blush. My shade is Rosy, and it's a peachy apricot color and gives a beautiful dewy finish. And go parallel to this lower lash line eyeliner that or the eyeshadow that I put, so everything will look very symmetrical going up. And then comes my favorite part, the highlighter. I am using the Benefit Cosmetics highlighter, the cookie highlighter. These are too big, so I'm going to go ahead and cut them a little bit at the outer edges. So like I had mentioned, I'm going to be using 2 shades of lipstick today. For the lipstick, I'm using the shade Stepping Out by Smashbox. So this is the perfect nude shade, and like I said, I'm going to give you 2 lip options. So let's go with the nude shade first. So this is with the nude lipstick, and I will go ahead and apply a tiny bit of shade Audition. This is the shade I'm going on with the nude lipstick, but I'm also going to show you another lip option. I just love this sari by Amrapali Boutique. They are based in India, in West Bengal, and they shipped my sari so fast that I got my sari in like 4 days. The customer service is impeccable and the product arrived as it looked in the photos. The pictures are perfect. The saris are exactly how they're pictured on their Instagram or on their website. So go check it out. I've also linked their Instagram below and I have linked their website as well. And we have a second option of lipstick in case you want to make it even more glamorous. Then we're going to go with a red lip liner first. This is the one by Kylie Cosmetics. It's the shade Boss. And for the lipstick, I'm going in with the shade by Anastasia Beverly Hills in Hollywood. And here we go with the red lipstick. So this is the look I have, guys, with the red lipstick. I love both looks. Tell me in the comments below which one is your favorite look. Also, find me on Instagram at make.up.simplified. All comments and suggestions are welcome. I love hearing about your makeup ideas and what kind of looks you would like to see.